What's up? Hey, I am AmaZn with AmaZn Bling and everything. Coming to you with a showcase. Yes, I don't believe before I press record, I forgot to put on the bling. Okay, these earrings right here are AmaZn Bling and everything. This necklace, this is a double wrap. It's a long piece. This one, but I wrapped it twice. And then this is another piece from AmaZn Bling. Go to our Facebook page, AmaZn Bling and Everything Facebook. And today I am featuring the color collection that we have. I'm going to turn my music down a little bit. Okay. The color collection, and this is going to be a mixture of different metals and colors and just different styles for younger and young at heart. Okay. Our first showcase would be these beautiful silver, but they kind of have a hint of blue in them. This is a beautiful piece right here. All right. This will lay nicely right on this chest area right here. So it's going to fall just like that. Beautiful. I don't want to mess it up with mine, but as you can see that right there. This is item number 1. And this would be the silver pearl necklace. These earrings are hook earrings, and this set is $5. This is number 1, item number 1. Okay. Item number 2 will be this long pink pearl necklace and earring set, which is also $5. I will just say everything in this video we're featuring tonight is $5. Okay. All right, and this is how it hangs. And these are baby. We can call these baby pink pearls. Okay, baby pink. This is the tassel. Excuse me. It's a tassel at the end with clear, go up there. You see the clear beads, the silver beads, and the pink. Okay. You have 2 tassels hanging from the bottom. These are the small pink ball or pearl earrings to go along with it. This is item number 2, pink pearl tassel. Okay. Item number 2. Number 3 would be these beautiful white bead accented hook earrings. This reminds me of doily type of design. But if you can see those 3, it's 3, right? No, yeah, it's 3 in the center, but then you have the accents all around. And you can see it better when I hold it to the side like that. Item number 3, white beaded accent earring. Item number 4 will be this beautiful red multi-tiered. This reminds me of a fiesta. We're going to call this Fiesta. Item number 4 is the red Fiesta necklace with the matching earrings, red ball earrings to go with it. Item number 4. Okay. I have another pair of red earrings that can accent that necklace, and I call these just the red rhombus. Item number 5, and if you can tell, it has these little accented wood beads in between the red, which just adds dimension and a little more fun to it. It's beautiful. Item number 5. Item number 6 is going to be this beautiful multi-color, multi-circle necklace. And you have full circles, and you have hollow circles, colors, and silver accents to go along with them. Small, medium, and large. You can double rope this or just have it as a single. See? Alright, that's how long it is. So if we were to put that on, I'm not able to stand on my chair. It's not that type of chair. Or because the dog is eating at the level at the bottom. You know how you have a bar stool and then you have that bottom part where you can rest your feet at? Yes, my dog has been chewing on it, and I just happened to grab that chair to sit in tonight. Okay, not a great idea, but this rainbow circles is item number 6, and then you have these beautiful little pink earrings to go along with them. All of these earrings are the hooks. They have the hook. Number 7 is in full orbit, and this is a double chain, and this material is copper. All right, this is it will drop right about there, and then you have these beautiful hollowed out circle earrings to go along with it. It just looks similar to moon. So you'll see the small, just plain linked, and then you have the plates. Let's see how that is. This is called in full orbit, and yes, this material is copper. This is item number 7. Okay. This next one is a brass piece. Okay. And this is item number 8. This is a brass necklace with the matching earrings to go with it. And this is a plate. It's a 3-section plate, if you can see right there. So when it lays, it's going to lay around here, depending on where you adjust the chain to. This is item number 8. This is the brass plated necklace. You can see that it has a texture, kind of honeycomb-ish, honeycomb texture. You'll see the back. So it matches. It's not a different type of backing. Alright, this is once again, and there are the earrings. The earrings are in a small rhombus shape, but the texture on the earrings matches the front plate. Item number 8. I did not take these out of the wrapper. I keep a pair of these in my purse. These brass beauties are called Dubai Detour. You will see what I'm talking about in a moment. Check that out. These are so amazing. They just scream vacation. Or what did they say, Dubai? I've never been to Dubai, so it doesn't say that to me, but this is the name of them. But these scream vacation. These are just flow freeing. They feel like when you're in one of those free flowing moods, you just put these earrings on. It's so whimsical. That's how they felt to me, whimsical. This is item number 9. Some for me, some for you. All right, Dubai Detour item number 9, brass earrings. Then we have another brass piece. Okay. This is a mandala of the people. And this is brass as well. And here you go. This is beautiful. It has a tassel right underneath this beautiful plated, and it has hearts on it. I just really recognize the hearts here at the top and here all around on all the sides. And then this is a heart. Oh yeah, the hearts are continuously flowing. This is so beautiful. That's why it's called the mandala of the people. Okay, this is item number 10, and it has the 3 thin medium length chains for the earrings. Okay. Item number 10 for the people. And number 11 will be this gunmetal oval, double oval ring necklace set. It has the earrings to go along with it. Can you see that? Then here we go. There we go. So you have those 2 layers. And then you have the double chain. Quality to it. I can imagine that, first of all, if this was on just one chain, it wouldn't last long. It will probably break and it would just look cheap. But this double is to the quality. Okay. Item number 11. Excuse me with the name. And item number 12 will be these beautiful rose gold. We didn't have rose gold in the showcase tonight, but we got it right now. Save that for later. Rose gold earrings, and these remind me of the what are these called again? Excuse me. Okay, this is Dubai Detour, and these are metal mosaic. You see that? And these are in rose gold. They are pretty much lightweight. They're not heavy at all. Yes, they're light. The quality is just amazing. You can see that they're not thin, so they won't bend easily if there's any questions about that. The Dubai Detour, they won't bend easily either. The quality of the metal and the color is very amazing as well. So they'll last you for a while. Item once again, item number 12. Okay. Maybe I need to have given y'all the instructions in maybe another video, but if you're new to our page and to this display, what we have going on is you are asked to comment in the comment box. It's mine. If you see an item that you would like to purchase, you comment it's mine, and you put along with that the description and or the number of the item that you would like. Invoices are sent out on Friday. Shipping and handling and state taxes will apply. Okay. I want to say thank you for tuning in to AmaZn Bling and Everything Jewelry Showcase. Tonight was the color collection. It is January 13th, 2022. If an item is sold out, I will just comment back to you that item is no longer. And I just ask that you stay tuned for more. Once again, thank you and well wishes. Be well, be your best, all that good stuff.